What's going on there, folks? Earthmaster here, taking a look at current radar over the state of Alabama. Shows some supercell thunderstorms just starting to fire up here, and this is only going to increase throughout the afternoon as we see severe weather move into the area and intensify with the potential for severe weather all across portions of northern Alabama, and also covering some of the southern states right there. I want to show you this map right here in regards to the severe weather potential. Now, the Storm Prediction Center is focusing on northern Alabama for the most part here, with a moderate risk of severe weather. Now, that's pretty high. That's just short of the high risk, and that's definitely something to pay attention to. Even a slight risk. So the rest of Alabama and other surrounding states need to be aware. Portions in the moderate risk area include Huntsville, Alabama, Decatur, Alabama, Madison, Alabama, Gadsden, Alabama, and Florence, Alabama. You can see this down here in the box. The rest of the enhanced, slight, and marginal risk zones include these following larger cities here, including Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, and some other cities there as well. Pretty much just covering a good portion of Alabama. Also Tennessee included in there, Georgia as well. So if you're in this region, today is the day to be prepared for potential severe weather in these states. Now, taking a look at the tornado risk, this right here is a probability of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a point. Okay, probability of a tornado within 25 miles of a point, 10% or greater. Probability of a EF2 to EF5. So definitely be on guard today. Make sure you have your storm shelter cleaned out, and of course all the necessity foods, flashlights, batteries, whatnot you may need while you are down there with your family, or if you are by yourself. Like I say, make sure you are weather aware today. It's definitely a potential for severe weather in the southern states. 15%, guys. That's it's a good thing. I mean, I guess it's a good thing they're issuing this risk to let you guys know that hey, keep an eye out to the sky. It's a bad thing for the folks living down there, because there is potential for that activity to occur in their region. 15%, Huntsville, Alabama, Decatur, Alabama, Madison, Gadsden, Florence, all these guys are under 15%. Now, the severe factor up here, these are the some of the larger cities, including Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Huntsville, Chattanooga, Sandy Springs, all within the severe area, folks. It's going to be pretty crazy. You definitely need to be looking towards the sky. When it comes to tornadoes, there's a good chance you guys are going to see them down there today, folks. The wind probability, we're looking at probability of damaging thunderstorm winds or wind gust of 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of a point. Hatched area, 10% or greater probability of wind gusts 65 knots or greater within 25 miles of a point. So a wide swath of seeing some good winds down there, some strong winds up to 65 knots there. The hail is a major factor as well. This is what scares me whenever I go out storm chasing, is the significant size hail that's produced during these supercell thunderstorms. Probability of 1-inch diameter hail or larger within a 25-mile point. Hatched area is 10% or greater probability of 2-inch diameter hail or larger within 25 miles of a point. So you're looking at 30% factor right there of some large 2-inch hail or greater in these regions right here, folks. Birmingham, Huntsville, Chattanooga, all these cities right here are within that 30% chance of seeing that larger hail. 15 and 5%, I wouldn't count you guys lucky, because you're definitely in there as well as seeing that potential for some severe hail this afternoon. Like you say, let me take a look at this radar once again. We are seeing some storms start to fire up already in Alabama. just north of Birmingham, and a little cell here just south of Birmingham, Alabama as well, with a line of showers and thunderstorms developing. This will only intensify as the afternoon progresses, folks. South of Florence up here, you're looking at a severe thunderstorm warning in effect at the moment. I'll go ahead and pull this up and show you guys. This here is a severe thunderstorm warning from the National Weather Service for these specific counties right here. Might want to be on guard for that. This is going to be a ongoing thing throughout the afternoon and into the evening. Severe thunderstorm was located 40 miles east. Let's see here. Was located near Tuska. You know what? That's a hard name to pronounce. Anyway, this town right here, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard was 60 mile per hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. This is all radar indicated. You can see that hail core right there. Very, let's zoom in here a little bit. Get a little bit better detail of the hail core. That's this little white area right here where the hail is falling. This purple area is kind of a heavy duty rain. But anyway, this radar data is saying and stating that this is 1.5 inch size hail with this thunderstorm that's just south of these towns right here, including Florence. So if you're in that area, be on alert. It is moving in a northeast direction towards Rogersville. Looks like Towns Creek as well. So definitely be prepared, guys. This is going to be an ongoing thing. Also, another severe thunderstorm warning north of Birmingham. Like I say, this is going to pop up all throughout the afternoon, folks. So I'm not going to go into too much of these warnings right now. I just do want to get the word out in regards to the activity that is occurring today. I want to show you guys the NAM 3KM model. Now, this is from a site called tropicaltidbits.com. This is kind of a predicted radar and predicted possibility of supercells developing. You can zoom in right here. Actually, this is a good reference. Alabama, within this region, you can see some of the cells just starting to pop up here. As we head later into the afternoon, we're only going to see this increase as this line of thunderstorms come in with the low and bring in that severe threat right there to portions of northern Alabama and ongoing through Tennessee. And it's just going to be a crazy afternoon for you folks over there, guys. So make sure you are prepared and have a shelter in place, not only for yourself, your family, but maybe your vehicle. If you got any tractors outside, maybe put them in the barn. Definitely going to see some roof damage today and some windows busted out with these cells that are coming into the region today. So stay safe, folks, and you know, it's a scary thing. Ice storm chase out in the southern plains states in the springtime, and these things can do a lot of damage. So you know, it's kind of scary, but it's a part of weather and it's a part of our life, and just got to be prepared the best that you can. All right, guys, stay safe out there, and if you have any reports to report, please leave them in the comments below. If you happen to have any hail reports, any kind of video, you can send a comment below with your video link, and I'll approve those. And like I say, hopefully damage is kept to a minimum out there today. But it's going to be a crazy day. All right, guys, take care. Be safe.